This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Stanley Steemer.
You change your sheets, you vacuum the floors, and you dust the blinds. But there's one part of your home you probably haven't touched. It's where all the air you breathe flows through.
Yeah, we're talking about your air ducts. Experts say summer is the perfect time to find out what's lurking inside. From construction debris to mold and dust, it all could be impacting your comfort and your health. And as DelmarvaLife's James McDonald discovered, a simple inspection with the pros at Stanley Steemer can lead to cleaner air and peace of mind.
You might not see them, but your air ducts could be hiding a lot more than just dust. According to the pros, summer is a prime time to take a closer look.
All the air that you breathe is funneling through the air ducts within your home.
And what's inside those ducts might surprise you.
Maybe you did renovations, you can end up with debris down in the ductwork, or maybe kids dropping food, or even playing with the holes in the floor. So lots of things can end up within the ductwork, and if left there and left unattended, it can develop into more issues if moisture is introduced to the system.
That buildup can affect your comfort and even your health.
Having the ductwork cleaned removes all the non-adhered debris from the ductwork, leaving you with a system of clean air to make you feel better.
That's why Stanley Steemer offers free inspections to determine if your system needs to be cleaned.
We want to first schedule to have us come out at no charge and inspect the ductwork. So first we want to qualify that your system needs to be cleaned and would benefit from a cleaning, and then we can see exactly what needs to be done to restore the system.
If a cleaning is needed, technicians use truck-mounted vacuums and specialized tools to remove the mess without releasing it into your home.
We use different agitation tools and compressed air to dislodge all the dust and debris, pushing it towards the main line where our vacuum's connected. We're not bringing that dust from your ductwork into your living space. Once all the ductwork is clean, then we also clean the internal components of your furnace or air handling unit that is processing the air.
So how often should you be thinking about air duct cleaning? The association recommends having your ductwork inspected every 1 to 2 years to see if you need a cleaning. It's not just older homes that need attention. Even brand new construction can come with surprises.
Just because the home is new doesn't mean that the ducts are new. A lot of times, they're installing the ductwork and then doing all the finishing touches in the house. So it's possible that you can end up with debris from drywall or wood chips down within the ductwork that you'd want to get removed.
Clean ducts might even help your system run more efficiently.
If the unit itself that's processing the air is heavily soiled, or if you have a lot of dust build up within the coils, it can affect the amount of airflow, which could cause a piece of equipment to work a little harder to push the air throughout the home.
Eric says if you want to improve your air quality between cleanings, it starts with your filters.
The biggest tip for maintaining cleaner air throughout the season is changing the filters every 3 months. Also, maybe consult with your heating and air professional to make sure that you have the proper filtration within the home.
And if you're looking to hire a professional, make sure they're certified.
When someone's looking to have their air ducts professionally cleaned, the biggest thing you want to do is find a contractor that is NACA certified. So that's the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. So Stanley Steemer, all of our technicians are certified. So they follow strict guidelines for source removal of the contaminants throughout the air duct system while everything is under negative pressure. That's what allows you to have a clean home without pulling the dust and debris from the ducts into the living space.
And while the pros are there, it might be a good time to think about your dryer vent too.
You're probably doing a little more use of the dryer in the summertime. So it's very important to have your dryer vent cleaned once a year in homes where you're doing multiple loads of laundry. That way you're reducing the risk of dryer fires in the home.
Because with Stanley Steemer, cleaner ducts, healthier air, and peace of mind are just a phone call and a free inspection away.
Now, Eric says to be cautious of companies that offer air duct cleaning at a too good to be true price. They typically don't provide a thorough cleaning, which can lead to recontamination of the entire system. We will have more details on Stanley Steemer and steps to schedule your free inspection on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Just click on what's happening today. Been in my house 32 years and I don't think we've ever had that done. So I can't imagine what is down in those ducts.
Yeah, I'm right with you on that one. We clean the filters, but
Yeah.
I've never thought about the air ducts. So
Yeah.
and make sure you go with someone who's certified. I think that's important because
Absolutely.
it could be a hot mess.